How the fuck the train moving? That's a head questioner right there. Hey, bro, how you do that? You wasn't paying attention?
No left-hand turn.
That's fucking crazy.
Fortunately, it happens all the time.
Gotta come up with a better solution, America.
Well, if you follow the signs that say no left-hand turn, you don't get hit by a train.
That makes sense.
You gotta pay attention.
That makes sense. That does make sense. Just thank God he was in his Subaru and nothing else.
Thank goodness he wasn't hurt. That's the main thing. That's not him.
That's not him?
No,
That
that
car is, it's still in good condition. It's still drivable.
Probably.
Yeah. They're gonna sell it for like $6 grand.